Hey you guys, it's Professor Vet. I'm just here to walk you through the logic module and the science module. First thing to notice is that the deadline for these modules has been extended by a few days. So instead of being due on the 10th, this module will be due on the 13th, and the same with the science module. So note the extension of the deadline there for Module 3 and Module 4. If you are one of my students who has a particular plan or a trip set up for an exact block of time, and there's going to be some difficulty in meeting this due date because the module opened later, please let me know. Email me, and I'm happy to make reasonable accommodations. I understand that completely. It's no problem. You will have 2 quizzes this week for these modules. There are 2 logic videos, and there are 2 sets of logic notes. The logic notes are virtually everything that I cover in the lecture, and then some stuff that I don't, but you're only going to be responsible for the stuff that's really in the lecture. And then this argument worksheet video, this is just a way to make some of the multiple choice questions for this quiz a little more approachable and easier. Also, I wasn't entirely happy with the video on logic, and although all the stuff is there, you know, sometimes you bake a cake and you just don't feel good about the cake, or you're not sure, let me know. If there are problems with this logic module, something isn't clear, I can post a supplementary video and help get you guys through it. So please let me know. So this is the logic module. I want to talk briefly about the science module here. The quiz is only 18 questions compared to the logic quiz, which is 27. So this one is smaller, but the video for the science module is pretty daunting. So I encourage you guys to start that early when you can. Roswell will be opening a little bit later today. So if you guys have any questions or comments, please feel free to email me. I want to thank Laura, who was carefully reading that quiz and had some really good suggestions for me with regard to question prompts. I just want to reiterate this to everybody. If you're taking the quiz and there's a question that's unclear or it's incorrect or you think it could be written better or there are mistakes, please let me know. I am absolutely happy to amend or clarify any missteps. I'm not perfect, and having been doing this stuff for 20 years, sometimes you tend to overlook things or make mistakes that are obvious to other people, but not to yourself because you've just done it for so long. So I'm not infallible by any means, and I do appreciate the opportunity to get a little constructive feedback. So if you see something, say something. Okay, you guys, good luck. Feel free to email me, and I'll talk to you soon.